Welcome back to Explore Error. While Windows 10 and Windows 11 look great with blur effects and smooth animations, these small visual features are always running in the background and using your GPU and RAM. Today, I'll show you how to turn off these unnecessary features so your PC feels fast and responsive. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, look for the Accessibility section. This is where Windows keeps some very important visual options. Click on Accessibility. Now, on the right-hand side, find the option called Visual Effects and click on it to open more settings. This is where the real changes happen. You'll see a few toggles here that are turned on by default in every Windows installation. The two main options we're focusing on are transparency effects and animation effects. Let me quickly explain why these matter. Transparency effects give that frosted glass look to your taskbar in Windows. It looks nice, but your graphics card is constantly working to show what's behind those windows. Animation effects are the sliding and fading movements when you open or close apps. They're meant to look smooth, but on many systems, they actually cause small delays. Your PC waits for the animation to finish before responding. So let's focus on speed instead of looks. Find the toggle for transparency effects and turn it off. You'll notice your taskbar instantly changes to a solid color. Next, find Animation Effects and turn that off as well. Now try opening the Start menu or a folder. Instead of sliding in, everything appears instantly. By turning these off, you're telling Windows to stop wasting power on visuals and focus on what really matters. This makes the interface feel fast and responsive, not just smooth, and it can make a big difference in daily use. One last step to make sure everything works properly. After changing visual settings, it's a good idea to refresh your desktop. Right-click on an empty area of your desktop and click Refresh. This helps Windows fully apply the changes and avoids any visual issues. I hope this quick tweak helps your PC feel fresh and fast again. If it worked for you, let me know in the comments. I really enjoy hearing your "it feels much faster" experiences. Thanks for watching. Stay with Explore Error, and I'll see you in the next video.